In this video, I'll show you how to view your saved passwords in iOS 18. Now, back in older versions of iOS, you used to be able to head over to the settings menu, scroll down, and there used to be a section in here for passwords. Now, with the new iOS 18, they've actually moved this section, so we need to head over to the home screen on your phone, and if you scroll across your list of applications, you'll now have this new app called Passwords. If you can't locate this, then just head over to the search menu and type in Passwords, and then click on the Passwords app. Now from here, obviously you'll need to use your Face ID to unlock this. So if we select all, this is where our general passwords are going to be saved. You also have things like your Wi-Fi passwords that are now saved with this new feature. You have things like passkeys and your codes that you can find in this password section. And we also have security, which is if Apple detect that your password's either weak or there's been some sort of a security leak, then you may need to come inside here and fix those passwords. There's also a new setting at the bottom where you can share your passwords and passkeys with family and friends. So that's a whole new feature of iOS 18. But it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you find all of your saved passwords in iOS 18. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.